Hello class 5, here I am with your geography class. So in the last class we have done till the wildlife of the temperate grassland. So now today we will do about the human activities. What kind of human activities takes place or what are their occupation. So the soil of these grasslands are very good for farming and livestock rearing. Large areas grow wheat, barley, oats, and other grains. Livestock that are reared are by the farmers feed on the grass. So the livestock, the cattle which are reared in this area are fed by the farmers over the grass on the patches of grassland. A large quantity of crops grows like type of grains, barley, wheat, oats, and all these. And people do agriculture and livestock rearing in this grassland. The wells found in the southeastern plateau in Africa, particularly in South Africa, are tree-less temperate grasslands. Here, summers are hot and winters are cold. The rainfall is low but occurs in both summer and winter. There is very low rainfall, but it takes place both in winter and in summer also. And here in South Africa, mainly the Wels grassland, they are treeless. Scanty rainfall is not enough for trees to grow, hence only a few shrubs and bushes are found in wells, provide excellent pastures that support cattle and sheep. So as there is very less rainfall, so trees doesn't grow, and that is why it is known as tree-less grassland. That means due to scanty rainfall, a few shrubs and a few bushes are grown. But it is a very excellent pasture for the cattle. Cowboys or horsemen called gauchos live in the Argentine and Uruguayan grassland called pampas. So cowboys and horsemen are the people those who ride the horse. So they are called gauchos and they live in the Argentine region of the grassland. That grassland in Argentina is called pampas. Okay. So now we are having conservation of grasslands. How to conserve these grasslands? The grasslands are seriously threatened by overgrazing. Due to human activities such as use of fertilizers and clearing of grasslands for construction, the grasslands are shrinking. So we know in this human activities only we have read that livestock rearing, those cattle or the livestock animals feed on the grassland. It is a very good pasture for the cattle, so they also feed on the grassland. So overgrazing. So as the cattle are feeding on the same grassland after a long time, so the land is getting barren and it is getting less fertile. So this is very bad for the grassland. And many grasslands are cleared off for what? For industries, for construction, buildings, houses, and all these stuffs. Such activities should be checked in order to preserve the natural vegetation and wildlife of these grasslands. Global warming is also one of the major causes of frequent forest fires that destroy the plants and animals of the grassland. In the last class, in the first explanation video of this chapter, I have said forest fires due to the tropical grassland. Forest fires happens due to global warming. So global warming is increasing day by day, and due to that forest fire is also happening and increasing day by day. So the first and the foremost important point is overgrazing. Then comes clearing of the grasslands for construction. Then comes global warming due to which the forest fire takes place. So all these things should be in check and people should try to conserve this so that we can preserve our natural vegetation. Okay. So in the next class, we will start with the next topic, that is Mediterranean region. We have done two till now. One is tropical, one is temperate. So now the third one is Mediterranean region. Till here, read it thoroughly and go through all the points. Okay class? Thank you. Bye-bye.